Hello friends, in the current video tutorial I will be talking about displaying a single plot on waveform graph in LabVIEW. Waveform graph in LabVIEW can display one or more plots of evenly sampled data points. It can plot only single valued functions such as y is equal to fx with points evenly distributed along the x-axis. The waveform graph can display plots containing any number of data points. The waveform graph accepts a 1D array of values to the plot. It interprets the array values as y data points on the graph. The x index starts at x is equal to 0 and increments by 1 itself by the time all the array values are plotted corresponding to x indices. Let's now see in software how 1D array of values are plotted onto waveform graph generating a single plot. So this is a for loop and I have generated 10 data values with a random number generator multiplied by 10. That means the values are generated from 0 to 10. Then they are collected outside the loop using the indexing into an array, and that array is plotted onto the waveform graph. And let me show it on the front panel. So I'm going to run this program. So see, the values are plotted. Let me show you which are which values. So this is the first value, 3.6.0513. so this is the first value, and then the next value, which is this value 5.0646, so this is the second value. Then the next value 6.1, so this is the next value. Then this is the next value, which is this one. Next value, this is this one. Next value, this is this one. Then next value, this is this one. Next value, this is this one. Next value, this is this one, and the last value over here, this is plotted over here. So 10 values are plotted corresponding to the array taking as the y values, and the x values are incremented by itself by 1. If we see the cursor legend, if I move the cursor, this is the first value, this is the second value, third value, fourth value, fifth value, sixth value, seventh value, eighth value, ninth value, and 10th value. So that comes to the end of the video. I hope you have liked this video, you have enjoyed the video, or you have understood the concepts properly. Thanks for watching this video.